What is the midnight zone? The ocean's midnight zone is a region between 1000 and 4000 meter deep where there is no sunlight at all. So there are no plants or phytoplankton. The water is cold at 4 degrees centigrade and the pressure is immense, ranges from 100 to 400 atmospheres. There are big creatures like colossal squid, long-armed squid, and siphonophores, and also vampire squid, Yeti crab, isopods, gulper eel, tube worm, vent shrimp, slime eel, and anglerfish. So let's know more about some of them. Colossal squid. They are the largest squid species by mass. They can grow up to 45 feet in total length and weigh as much as 1100 pounds. They have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, reaching 10 inches in diameter. They primarily live in Antarctic Ocean in the southern hemisphere. They prey on large fishes and smaller squids, and its predator include sperm whale and sleeper sharks. Vampire squid. There is only one species known of vampire squid. Vampire squid is technically not a squid or octopus. It cannot change color or produce ink of any kind. They can grow up to a feet in length and weigh around 1 pound. Vampire squid can turn itself inside out by flipping their tentacles over to cloak. It is a scavenger, the only cephalopod incapable of catching live prey. It doesn't even have teeth, use filaments on their tentacles for feeding. Anglerfish. There are more than 200 species of anglerfish. Anglerfish vary from about the size of a coffee cup to over 3 feet. They suck prey into their mouths by creating a suction. They can lure prey through their luminous fishing pole. It is a piece of dorsal spine which has a glowing bacteria at its end. The males are only 1/10 size of female, and most spend their lives attached to a female. Gulper eel. Gulper eel, also referred as pelican eel or umbrella mouth gulper. They are black in color and can reach about 2 to 3 feet in length. It has enormous mouth, much larger than its body. The mouth is loosely hinged and can swallow an animal much larger than itself. The tip of their long tail casts pink glow and bright red flashes to lure prey. Their body remains transparent before they reach their juvenile stage. Long-armed squid. Long-armed squids are also known as big fin squids due to their large fins. Scientists have described 3 different species, but there may be more. They can live deeper than any other known squid. They are seen at the depth of more than 3 miles. Long-armed squid length can exceed 20 feet. However, 90% of its length are arms and tentacles. Its tentacles can make angles to their body, making it look like an elbow. Giant Siphonophore. It is not a single or multicellular organism, but a colony of tiny biological components called zooids, each having evolved with a specific function. It is the longest among 175 known species of siphonophores. It is held together by water pressure in deep ocean and bursts into a blob when brought to the surface. It attracts prey with bright blue bioluminescent light. Its tentacles are covered with powerful toxic sting that can paralyze or kill prey. Yeti Crab. This crab was first observed in March 2005 by marine biologists. Yeti crab lives in deep oceans in hydrothermal vents. These vents provide hot water, which makes up the environment where these crab live. Their eyes lack pigment and is thought to be blind. Their hairy pincers are used to detoxify poisonous mineral from the water. There are 4 known species that exist in 4 different marine locations. Vent shrimp. The vent shrimp, also known as the hydrothermal shrimp, live deep underwater near hydrothermal jets that spew toxic chemicals. The shrimp feed on bacteria, which converts expelled minerals and chemicals into organic matter. They do not have eyes but can detect thermal radiation to locate the vents. They are an inch in length and live near vents in very large groups. Giant isopod. There are around 20 different species of large isopods. The largest of them live in deep ocean and is up to 2 feet long. They have the ability to curl up into a ball where only the tough shell is exposed. They are adapted to long famines and can survive over 5 years without food. They are scavengers and feed on dead whale, fish, and squid, but may also prey on slow-moving animals like sea cucumbers and sponges. Slime eel. A slime eel is blind and lives at the bottom of the ocean. The correct name for these fish is actually hagfish. These are around 2 feet in length with elongated bodies and paddle-like tails. They can produce a lot of slime when they are in danger. This slime has very thin fibers that makes it more durable and retentive. While they feed on marine worms on or near the seafloor, it can also feed upon dead and dying or injured sea creatures. That's all the Midnight Zone for today. See you very soon.